Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yes, this is me really saying that I need a mirror to talk to people because we've gotten used to doing this, okay? Anyway, this is the next day after the previous episode, and I'm going to what am I going to do? I'm going to do a couple of things in town. Get my ID because I lost my ID, get me a new phone, and a couple of other things basically. So let's just go together. So basically, this is the me settling in episode.
Nintendo quiz, what are you doing? Answer now. Let me tell you, what somewhere around Calafatas next well. Let me tell you, we've had such a long day. We bought a phone from up here, Glotel. What else? It's been such a stressful day, especially at MTN. But you get a CB.
So one of the things I did today is I bought a. I'm sorry, I feel like every time I come to you guys, I'm even thinking about my life, like what's going on. Yeah, but okay. Anyway, I bought another phone because I personally prefer the idea of having my contacts differently. So I have the phone with my Cameroon contacts and all, and then the other one. So I bought a phone that was quite not so fancy, not just practical. Yeah, I wanted something under $100. Like I was very intentional with that. So yeah, let me show you guys what I got. Yo, first of all, I always start my videos with yo. I'm starting my videos with so much anxiety. Okay, this is day what? I've lost count, but it's a couple of days later from the last video you've seen. I think like a day after. And I'm going to do my hair now. The chaos that has been here, the culture shock for me, I think I'm going to do like a separate video on what's going on, what is happening. Anyway, I'm going to do my hair, still me. Certainly video. I have this long dress. I wish I could show you guys. Like it's so long. I love it. Midi. Yeah. Hi Rejoice. She's the person who gave me this. Well, she gave me to go to my house one day, and I'm going to my country. Wow. All right. First of all, I have been looking for glue to stick this. It's not that it's impossible to find. First of all, we stay a little out of town. Secondly, change, bro. Let me tell you, the rants are many, but I think I just want to say I've not been able to find glue for like 3 days. Bye.
Maybe parce que je mange. En plus, c'est bon. Ça, c'est chacun pour ça là-bas. Mais ça. Donc, tu es bien avec le mange comme ça, tu es assise. Oui. Ça, c'est peut-être la personne est devenue peut-être ton ami. Ah, la dernière. Ça. Passing all your dimples. Mais. Calais.
Okay, this is the hair. It's knotless, but it was done differently, and it feels different in a way. Anyway, this is Sugar. Today we're going to get my ID made, not pics, like made. So yeah, I'm giving a bit of what I normally do give on a normal day. Daddy? All right. We have to do something about the situation. Anyway, guys, so I'm going to eat. This is yo. Never mind. I'm going to eat Suya. It's like nyama choma. It's just meat, roasted meat in town, and I'm definitely taking you guys along. So that's what today is about. Are we enjoying? I need to give you a proper debrief of the moment I'm spending.
Wow.
Mettez 2000.
Yes.
Ah, 2000 avec.
Lui m'a dit pas.
Ça, c'est ok.
Donne-moi 2000. Mets
Oh, this is
pour
for
2000 avec le plantain.
On ajoute encore.
Non.
200. Comment d'abord par ça?
Oui. Look at my sponsor. Quand tu vois le gros manque comme ça, il faut savoir qu'il y a l'argent là-bas. Look for a better sponsor. Oh my god, I'm being so spoiled. Another one. I've eaten Suya. First of all, I don't know if you can hear me because they said fan. Yeah. But eating Suya so much that I'm so full. I'm so full. I'm not even sure if my mother's food this evening. That's it. Yeah. Because I ate soya then with Kossam. It looks like yogurt. Can't even see it. But it's called Kossam. And then some grains. I don't remember what the grains are called. So good. So good.
And now
Il a pas vous êtes déconnecté.
inside Iyango.
Déconnecté.
Iyango is like
Ah, peut-être que je suis en ligne. C'est ça?
Is it trying to be Africa?
Parce que si vous n'étiez pas déconnecté,
Vous pouvez me localiser.
l'application, oui, ça allait me montrer
Yeah,
comme si
it's safer. Sometimes it's cheaper, especially if you're yourself. And I think it takes you to a better place.
Ah, peut-être que
I don't know how to
téléphone, je suis en ligne.
rate the young
Ah, les affaires de
but
réseau.
yeah. So, yeah, I'm probably going to end this vlog here. This is it for me, settling. I think the next episode is just going to be Yaoundé living in Yaoundé. I don't know how it's social media. This is it for settling. And I hope you watch the previous vlog coming in. So, enjoy.
Donc, si vous avez aimé cette vidéo, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de faire favor de partager cette vidéo. Tell me what you liked. I'm going to finish it before French. You are not ready. Was it not good? Okay.